Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can disable YouTube Shorts on your device. So this works for both iPhone and Android devices. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is go to the YouTube app first. And once you open your YouTube app, you will notice that there is the YouTube Shorts column in here. And if you want to disable this part here, all you have to do is tap on the three dots in here and go to not interested right here. Now you can do this for the rest of the shorts in here. So go to the three dots in here and tap on not interested. Okay, just do it until all the shorts are gone from this part. Okay, now here, once you refresh your YouTube app, you will notice that YouTube Shorts are not available anymore. So you cannot see the YouTube Shorts anymore. So even if you go out from here and you clear YouTube, if you go back and open up YouTube again, you will not find YouTube Shorts in your feed anymore. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.